Hey, what's up? If you're watching this right now, there's probably a good chance that you want to build an email list. And I want to share with you a way to build your email list very, very easy, very, very effectively, but also something that a lot of businesses won't do because it's gotten a bad rap. And what I'm talking about is doing a straight up giveaway. The problem with doing a giveaway to build your list is yes, you can create a giveaway, get a lot of attention, and get a lot of people to enter. But are they the right people? That's the question. And that's also the big problem. So here is the secret, and here's how we do our giveaways so they're very, very successful. Number one, we need to create a lead magnet or the giveaway that attracts the right person. If you are in the bass fishing niche, then we're going to go after bass fishing gear. We're going to literally give people a chance to win the ultimate bass fishing set. Then from there, we're going to target those people in the right area. Using the fishing analogy, we're going to cast our line in the pond. And in this case, if we're using paid ads like Facebook, we're going to go after people that are interested in bass fishing. And then from there, we're going to set up a very, very simple giveaway. And there's all different platforms out there. We use King Sumo. Use that, use whatever one you want. Doesn't really matter. What does matter is that you create this giveaway, you drive the right traffic with the right offer, and build your email list. If you want help with this, I would recommend head on over to emaillistplaybook.com. That is our book. It will give you everything that I just shared with you in great detail. Once again, emaillistplaybook.com. Less than a cup of coffee, and you'll have everything you need to build your list.